In this video, we'll be talking about ARC's motivational theory by John Keller. Now, this is a theory that helps teachers engage their students and for students to understand why they're learning something. This theory is broken into four main parts: attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction. The first part of it is attention. Now, you need to be able to grab a student's attention to make them want to learn. Now, if I showed this picture of just a cat sitting on some Japanese currency, you're going to start asking questions. Why is the cat on money? Why is there so much money? Why is the cat black? Depending on the age group, you'll get a variety of questions. You need to hook the learner. You need to get them interested, spark their curiosity. If you don't have that to start with, then they're not going to want to go any further to answer more challenging questions. You can gather somebody's attention by using humor, by using videos, pictures, sparking background knowledge. The next part is relevance. They need to know why. This could be using goal meeting, familiarity, motives. They need to understand why this is going to be important to them. Now, if you are a student in my classroom, you think football is the greatest thing ever, and you want to see how does this connect to that. Other students want to know how can they make money off of this. If I'm teaching decimals, then I always bring in real-world application so that they know that the things that I'm teaching them have an importance in their life. The next is confidence. They need to know that they can fail but still want to try. If something is too hard, then the learner's just going to give up. Now, the way that you can build confidence, there's a couple different ways. You can provide choice to the student or to the learner. If you, like in this picture, you're going to have a cat sit there and pick which type of food it is. Now, they're going to gain the confidence in the fact that they made a choice and they knew that they were safe doing that. But you can also provide feedback. This is extremely important due to the fact that if you provide accurate feedback in a timely manner, then the student not only understands what they did well, but understands what they did that they could have grown on, and you help them with that. Now, the final piece is satisfaction. A student needs to understand that something's going to come of all of their hard work, that there's going to be rewards, such as for me, as you see in these pictures, that I was able to graduate with my undergraduate degree. Now, there might be reinforcement. I had professors tell me along the way, oh, you did great, here's some help. In younger grades, a reinforcement might be, here's a Skittle for answering a question. But students need to understand that there is something positive that's going to come out of all of the hard work that they're doing. This is the sources and citations I used. And that was ARC's Motivational Theory by John Keller.